In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. We'll start right from a fresh browser so you can follow along easily. Open your preferred browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Wix and press Enter. You should see the official Wix result near the top. This is a quick, reliable way to get to the right place without needing to remember a specific URL. From the results page, click the link that reads Wix.com, Website Builder. Create a free website in minutes. Make sure the link points to Wix.com so you know you're on the official site and not a third-party page or an ad. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your sites and dashboard. Once you're in, you'll land on the Wix dashboard. Locate the site you want to work on and select the Design Site option. This takes you directly into the Wix editor for that specific project, where you can make visual and structural changes. Give it a moment to load. Larger sites can take a bit longer to open in the editor. Inside the editor, look for the Wix AI option. This is Wix's built-in assistant that can help you perform tasks faster by understanding natural language. Clicking Wix AI opens a panel where you can type a short request and let the assistant prepare changes for you. It's especially helpful for bigger structural updates you don't want to configure manually. In the prompt field, type exactly this: Add category pages on my blog. This tells Wix AI to set up dedicated category pages that organize your posts into clear sections, making it easier for visitors to browse by topic. Category pages are great for navigation, SEO, and reader engagement because they group related content and surface more of your work. After you submit the prompt, watch for the on-screen guidance and preview of what Wix AI proposes. Clear prompts work best, so if your blog already has specific categories, like travel, recipes, or tutorials, you can mention those in your wording to shape the result. You can also refine the tone or layout by adding brief descriptors such as minimal, image forward, or professional. Review the suggested structure and text before you proceed, ensuring it aligns with your site's style and content. The exact placement of category links may vary depending on your current template, but the assistant will indicate what it changed or plans to change. And that's it. You used Google to reach Wix, opened your site via Design Site, launched Wix AI, and asked it to add category pages to your blog. Quick, organized, and ready for fine-tuning.